Yo, what's going on, good people? This is Money Making Mike from Michigan coming at you live and direct with another quick tutorial video. Today I want to show you guys how to put your MCA direct to cart link, and I'm going to show you how to embed that on the website. So right now I'm going to show you guys with Weebly, and this will work with any website that uses HTML code. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm doing here. So let me go to my Weebly website. So what I mean by that is your direct cart link. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you here. So I'm gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna highlight that, take this code here, and make sure when you get this code, I'm gonna leave it under the description below, make sure when you get this code you delete the username like I'm doing right now, and then put your username right there, so that way it'll go to your checkout page. So go back over here to Weebly, put that in there. Boom. Hold on. I don't want to change this one. I want to do this one. Let's do this one. Link. Website link. Boom. Boom. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is publish that. I'm going to show you guys it's going to go straight to the checkout page. So, let me do that again. Publish it. Click on that link. Go down to the page. And when I click on this link, it's gonna go straight to the checkout page. So if you guys wanna, if you guys are using Weebly, Wix, WordPress, any website that has HTML script onto it, you can go ahead and add that so that it'll go straight to the checkout page. It just makes your conversions a lot better. You don't want people going all over the place, because usually without that it'll go to the main MCA. I'm gonna show you what it usually go to if you don't do it that way. Usually it'll go here first, and then they gotta go. So it's just an extra step you're taking out, and it'll increase your conversions for sure. So go ahead and get the link. I'm gonna put it underneath the video in the description. Just remember, change this username to whatever your usernames is. Mine is MCA Pays the Way. So put your username there, and it should work. Always check, make sure that it does. So once you put it on your website, go ahead, go to the website, click on the link, make sure that it's popping up, and then that's it. So thanks so much for watching. Hopefully this helped. Again, this is Money Making Mike, level of life, people. Peace.